A pipeline P operating at 400 MHz has a speedup factor of 6 and operating at 70% efficiency. How many stages are there in the pipeline? We know that speedup equals efficiency into M, where M is the number of stages. Given here, the speedup equals 6, efficiency is 70%. And what is the value of M? M equals 6 into 100 by 70, 8.57. So here whether we should take the seal value 9 or the floor value 8. Given here the speedup of our pipeline system is 6, then this should be either this should be a 100% efficient pipeline with the number of stages is equal to 6. Because in a 100% efficient pipeline, the speedup value is equal to the number of stages. But our system is not 100% efficient, so the system's efficiency reduces. It means definitely the value of M will be greater than 6. Due to the inefficiency of the system, our system's speedup could not approach the value of M, which is actually greater than 6. And what is that value of M which is greater than 6? Suppose the value of M equals 7, given the speedup is 6. It shows our system is 6 by 7 into 100, 85.71% efficient. And suppose our value of M equals 8, the speedup equals 6. It shows the system's efficiency is 6 by 8 into 100, 75%. Suppose the value of M is 9. It shows the efficiency of the system is 66.67%. Suppose the value of M is 10. It shows the efficiency of the system is 60%. Now we can see from M equals 8 onwards to 6, the efficiency go above 75%, and from M equals 10 onward, the efficiency goes below 60%. Hence our answer is the seal value 9. Consider a similar question. A pipeline has a speedup factor of 5 and operating at 70% efficiency. How many stages are there in the pipeline? We know speedup equals efficiency into number of stages. Given the speedup equals 5, it means either it should be a 100% efficient pipeline whose number of stages is equal to 5. But here the efficiency is reduced, which means the number of stages is definitely greater than 5. Suppose the number of stages is equal to 6, then how much efficient is our pipeline system? 5 by 6 into 100, 83.3% efficient. Suppose the number of stages equals 7, it shows our pipeline system is 5 by 7 into 100, 71.4% efficient. Else if suppose the number of stages equals 8, it shows our system is 62.5% efficient. If number of stages equals 9, it shows the system is 55.5% efficient. Now we can see from M equals 7 onwards to 5, the efficiency of the system goes above 71.4%, and from M equals 9 onwards, the efficiency goes below 55.5%. It means our answer is 8. Otherwise, directly substitute in the equation. Number of stages equals speedup by efficiency. Speedup equals 5 and efficiency is 70%. The answer is 7.14. Take the seal value 8.